Yeah, that'd be quicker.
No, I mean, what if the people we sent got lost? There'd be no way to communicate. We can't.
Benny, eventually the Apaches will send a rescue team.
Eventually.
Well, look, the longer we wait, the less chance we have of catching them.
We need a stretcher.
Right.
The pack frames.
God, this was a terrible idea.
No.
I'm sorry. I have to rest.
All right, it's okay. All right. Adam, how's he doing?
I mean, Mr. B's burning up. If this fever gets any worse. Are we anywhere near water?
Soon, yeah.
Adam will take over.
He just went.
I don't care.
1, 2, 3.
I think I see a creek.
Finally.
Let's get him a drink. Oh, shit! Don't drink the water before purifying it! Pedra! Kara! You guys! Kara!
What are you talking about? It's fine.
Wait up! You morons! Couldn't you wait just a half hour?
Oh, I'm sure it's okay. This is a mountain stream.
There's bacteria in these streams.
I don't get sick.
I don't get sick. Just go get your canteens. Nice going, Kara.
I didn't make her drink.
You led the pack.
Why don't you mind your own business?
You know, Kara, I'm sick and tired of your attitude.
My attitude? What about your attitude? Going around like you're the only one who cares about him. All you ever did was treat him like crap.
Look, you damn liar! You don't know anything.
I know a loser when I see one.
Kara!
This has been coming for a long time.
Go ahead. I dare you.
Oh, you dare me? To do what? To hit you? Huh? I know about hitting, Kara. My father once tried to kill me over a stupid bet. Then later he tried again. When he got out, only Jake was there.
Well, I still think you're a jerk.
Oh, I'm a jerk. Did I accuse you of stealing? Did I write you off before I even knew you because of what I thought about people like you?
I didn't.
You did, Kara. You did. You all did.
up. We're gonna drop him.
Adam!
I'm sorry.
We're never gonna make it.
He hasn't moved in a while.
Oh, we're almost there.
Let me see.
All right. You see that mountain over there? That's this one. And Stone Summit is...
There, right?
Yeah, you're getting good at this.
If that's it, then we should go.
We are going. I was just switching with Adam.
I mean now, before they leave. I could run ahead.
I'll stay with Mr. B. You guys go up ahead.
All right, let's go then.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Come on, guys. I think this is it. It's cold.
Dear Jake and White Wolves, we waited for 2 days, got here on the 9th, then decided to move on. If we don't see you at the end of the trail, we'll send help when we reach Lake Chinook. Sorry we couldn't wait, but we ran out of food. Keep safe. With love, Mariel and the Apaches.
We missed them.
Not even close.
Well, maybe we can still catch up to them. I mean,
Wait.
hasn't-
No! You're gonna stay with us. We need to decide what to do.
No, I can't do this anymore. I want to go home.
Kara? 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 Oh my God! Kara! Kara!
Kara.
Kara!
Wait. Hannah, she's alive. She's Brit. Benny, she's alive.
I'll go get Adam and Jake. Find a safe place.
What are you doing?
I'm going for help. I can't wait here now, not with Kara hurt and Jake. And not all of us can continue.
But the Apaches are already ahead of you.
Yeah, but unless Mariel finds a shorter way, these guys can't wait.
What do you mean? Did you find a shortcut?
No, you'd only try and stop me.
A different way to the lake?
No, I'm not gonna...
Benny!
Okay, it's to Lone Pine. Across that lava flow and that old bridge Jake told us about.
Lone Pine? Benny, you can't raft by yourself. Mr. B said that was class 4.
You want to ruin her chances of getting help sooner?
No. I mean, I'll come with you.
I don't think so. Pandra, come on. Kara needs you.
No, Kara needs a doctor, and so does Jake. With me along, the rafting will be easier, and I'm good at reading maps better than you are.
Pandra, no. It's too risky.
Too risky for me, you mean? Because my sister nearly got killed trying to save me?
Just be grateful someone loves you that much.
I am grateful. It's just, for once I'd like to do something on my own, without being careful.
Get your things then. Hurry.
Stay put. We'll send help as soon as we can. I don't believe this.
We went together. That's weird.
Weird. It's ridiculous. Neither one of them knows what they're doing. They're gonna get lost.
Look, why are you so upset? I mean, maybe they'll make it there faster.
That is not the point.
Well, what is the point?
The point is, they should have told us. We should have decided together.
You mean you should have decided? Look, you're just pissed because you have to stay here. Well, face it, buddy. You just wanted to be the one to go. It's our duty to wait and take care of them, okay?
Benny, do you think we'll make the bridge by tonight?
I don't think so. Maybe.
I want to thank you for letting me come.
Pandra, get one thing straight. I'm the one who should be thanking you.
Well, why should you thank me?
You were the one, the only one who gave me a chance.
Benny, that's because, I just had the time to think. You know, I'm not like Kara, always the center of attention.
But why would you want to be like her?
What do you mean? I mean, she's prettier, she's more popular, she's...
I think you're very attractive.
Well, I think you're attractive, too.
Pandra, please, let's stop.
Not because of me. I'm not gonna slow you down.
You're not slowing me down. You're keeping me going.
So let's get going.